I've been through every sport and nothing has been like polo. I know from records that the men's team haven't been for a very long time active. I can say a decade or something. I knew there was only a women's team.
And if there's not a men's team, I was gonna have the challenge to begin the men's team.
I'm actually third generation of polo in my family. My grandfather was one of the best polo players in Ecuador.
Get ready, drop the confetti.
I played like semi-professionally. If you want to be the best, you gotta be where the best people are, right? So that's where I went to Argentina. I wanted to give it a shot because I know I had potential, but it's also very competitive there and it costs a lot of money too. And so some of the external factors made me decide that I actually want to study.
Showtime when I take a seat.
It took me actually 2 years to set up the whole team. Last year, my sophomore year, I was able to start practicing with the women. They invited me over. I actually never played indoor polo in my life, so the women as well helped me a lot on playing my first game and actually know the rules. Right now, we're having our first game against CL, and my goal actually is first of all enjoying time with my teammates and representing UConn. That's going to be a great achievement. But yeah, I would say goal for these 2 years, winning some championships, and after I leave UConn, probably going to be an advisor for the UConn polo men's team and getting people from South America that are looking for an American college to play polo to come to UConn. One of the great things about this program is that you gotta tack up your horse, you gotta exercise your horse, you gotta manage the stable. When you play professionally or you play outdoor, you always have a groom that helps you do it. And I think that's good about this training, that you actually become a player when you know everything that happens around it. Being part of a university polo program makes you learn all of these skills, and so that's a great thing.
Get ready, drop the confetti.